For those who love working with wood, here's a Sarge fan favorite, our full Tang drop point custom kit model SK-914KIT. It includes the blade and essential parts. You provide the wood and turn it into something one of a kind. Packed right in the clamshell, you'll receive your necessities for this project, including a full Tang 440C stainless steel blade, 3 aluminum pins, and a leather sheath. The full Tang blade is made from 440C stainless steel, so it's sharp, durable, and perfect for everyday carry once assembled. And it measures at 8 3/8 of an inch overall and leaves a 3 3/4 inch blade when completed. This kit does not include the handle material, and that's what makes it such a custom item. You'll need to separately purchase knife scales for the handle, whether online or at your local woodworking shop, to complete this DIY project. Here are a few finished knives to give you some inspiration on what your next knife could look like. You can use a traditional wood like a walnut or maple, or you can choose a more exotic wood like a zebra or even a maple burl. So whether you're into DIY projects, woodworking, crafting, or looking for a unique gift, the Sarge Full Tang Drop Point Custom Kit delivers a great hands-on experience with pro-level results. Check it out and start building your own blade today. Also, check out more from Sarge Knives, Leather, and Gifts for all of life's adventures.